In the design menu, there is an option called Reference Elevation. Here we can specify some global reference values that can be useful. First, we specify the grade elevation. For most stacks, this will be 0, but some plants have a non-zero value that they specify as grade, such as 100 feet or 100 meters. If that is the case, then you can specify that value here. Next, we specify the distance from grade to the bottom of the stack. This is used if you have a stack that is elevated above grade, such as a stack on top of a building or a heater. Wind pressures increase as you get higher above the ground, and so by entering this value, you are specifying that the structure is elevated and that the wind pressures will be calculated correctly for this higher elevation. Next, we determine whether we want to use plant or absolute elevations. If you specified that grade was 0, then this selection doesn't really matter. However, if you entered a non-zero value, then this selection will matter. Let's say we specified that grade was 100 feet. Now, if we select plant elevations, the bottom of our stack will be 100 feet. All elevations in the report will be based upon the bottom of stack being at 100 feet. If we select absolute elevations, then it will define the bottom of the stack as 0, and the grade elevation we used would not be used. This would be useful if you entered a grade elevation and wanted to quickly toggle between plant and absolute elevations in order to verify something in the output. Finally, we have the length of the stack shielded from the wind. This would be used to represent a stack that is partially enclosed inside of a building, so that the lower portion of the stack is shielded and would not be exposed to wind.